Imagine you're working on your React Native application. Everything's running smoothly until you hit a little snag. The problem. The issue arises when updating the language for the second time, and suddenly not all pages are getting the translation update they should. Frustrating, right? Now, let's dive into the solution to this hiccup. The crucial part lies in the snippet of code you need to tweak. By adjusting the event listeners using the Code's focus effect code hook, you ensure that the Coda language change code event triggers the necessary updates. This slight modification ensures that all components respond as expected and get the language refresh they deserve. Building upon the solution, it's imperative to pay attention to the finer details. By making the adjustment to the event listeners and ensuring they're correctly set up and torn down with Code i18n.auth, loaded, language set complete code, the app functions seamlessly. This refinement guarantees that each page reflects the updated language settings, creating a smoother user experience overall. In conclusion, addressing the event listener setup in your React Native application resolves the language update issue and ensures consistent translation across all pages. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Remember, keeping your code clean and efficient paves the way for a smoother development journey.